Hello students, now we are going to learn about set builder form. So as we have already discussed about describing a set, this describing of a set is of two types. One is roster form and another one is set builder form. So first we'll see what is roster form and then we come back to set builder form. Roster form is writing all the possible elements of a set. Roster form is otherwise called as list form. Let us take one small example. Set A consists of elements 1, 2, 4, 5. So here in this set A we have clearly written the possible elements. That's why this kind of writing is called as roster form. Similarly, I have considered one more example. B is equal to set of A, B, C, D. So like this, we can give any number of examples to roster form. Now, what is a set builder form? Now, what is a set builder form? A set builder form is writing a set defining its elements with a common property. A set builder form should follow some syntax or order or a pattern or some structure of writing. Let us take one example to understand about syntax. Here I have taken set A as set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we write in set builder form. So A is equal to, these are braces and this is X and these two dots denotes such that, and here you can see X belongs to N in the sense natural numbers, and X is less than 6, or otherwise here I have written it as X less than or equal to 5. So this less than or equal to both are inequalities. So what I have written here in the form of syntax is I have written it just for your understanding in words. So set A is equal to set of all X, means this one, such that this symbol X belongs to natural numbers. See this one, X belongs to natural numbers and X is less than 6, or the same way A is equal to set of all X, this one, such that symbol X belongs to natural number, this one, and X is less than or equal to 5. This is how we write this syntax, or simply this is called as set builder form. Let us see how to write set builder form for the following examples. So the very first one is set A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is a set containing of these elements, and we have to first find out what is the common property for all the sets, for all the elements in the set. So here we can clearly notice that all these elements are integers, and we can clearly say that the number which comes after minus 2 is minus 3, and the number which comes after 2 is 3. So the elements which we are seeing in the set A are between minus 3 and plus 3, or otherwise we can use less than or equal to inequality, and we can write like this. So minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Anyways, both the forms are correct. So the second one, 3, 6, 9, 12. So here also you have to see what is the common property among these elements. So I found out that it is nothing but 3 multiplication table. 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So that's why I have written x instead. X belongs to integers. Here I can take whole numbers, or I can consider them as natural numbers, real numbers, no problem. You can write in any set, you can write that these elements belongs to any of the sets, and x is a multiple of 3. Up to here it is okay, but in the set what is the last multiple? 12. So I have taken here x is less than 12, or otherwise we can write like this: is less than or equal to. In this kind of inequalities we have an option: x is less than or equal to. So in this case it is equal as well as less, and here it is strict less than 13. So the third example, 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma. So first what we have to do, how to find what is the common property among elements in the set C. So I found out that it is nothing but 2 power 1, 4 is 2 power 2, 8 is 2 power 3, 16 is 2 power 4, and 32 is 2 power 5. So by observing all these elements, clearly we can say that 2 is the base for all the elements. That is what I have written here: x such that x belongs to natural numbers. Doesn't matter, you can take integers also. X is power of 2. So I have mentioned about these numbers. X is power of 2, because here all the bases are 2. That's why I have written x is power of 2, and x is less than 6. What is the highest power under last element? 5. That's why I have written x is less than 6, or even you can write x is less than or equal to 5. And one more example. Set D consists of elements 5, 25, 125, and 625. Here also it is the same case as our previous example. So I have written them as 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power. So the set builder form for this example is x such that x belongs to n, x is a power of 5, x less than 5. One more example. Set P is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on up to So here also we have to find first what is the common property among these elements in the set. We can say that by seeing them that they are squares of a natural number. That's why I have written set P is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. X is square of natural numbers and x is less than 11 because 10 square is 100. Set Q is equal to 2 comma 5 comma 10 comma 17. So this example is a little bit different from our previous examples and it is not as direct as they are. So we have to take some trial and errors. After my trial and errors, I found out that this is equal to n square plus 1. How? We'll see. First, I substituted 1 in place of n. So 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2. So the first element. Next I substituted 2 in place of n and 2 square plus 1 is 5 and it is also okay. Next we took 3 in place of n. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is again 10. And final element I took 4. 4 square plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. And finally I got all the 4 element satisfied. So I have written set Q is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n, x equal to n square plus 1 and x is less than or equal to 4. Even you can write it as x less than 5. And let us see some examples about writing set builder form to roster form. Set P is set of all x such that x is a letter from word mathematics. So as you all know and I think you remember the basic rule, while writing a set no element should be repeated. So considering that rule, set P is equal to M A T H E I C S. So what is the difference between this word and this set? Whichever word, whichever letter repeated more than once is omitted and we have taken this set P is equal to M A T H E I C S. Similarly, I have taken a word school. So you can try this example, and the last one I have taken here is the word assassination. This also you can try. Let us see this one. Q is a set of x such that x is an integer, x square is equal to 4. Since here it is given as integer, it may be a positive integer or a negative integer. So if we consider negative integer, minus 2 whole square is 4, so it satisfies. And if I take positive integer 2, 2 square is again. So in the both the cases, I am getting 4 as answer. So set Q is equal to minus 2 comma 2. So in this way, we can represent the set in two forms and we can write the elements from set builder form, or from the elements we can write in set builder form following a common property. So this is all about describing a set, roster form and set builder form. Thank you.